Here's the thing. So I was originally gonna call this makeup tutorial my running late routine, but if we're being honest, running late is every day for me, so here's your everyday makeup tutorial.
First things first, you gotta have a clean base, so I'm going in with a micellar water. Next up, I'm taking a moisturizer and a sunscreen and mixing them together. The reason why I do this is because I find the sunscreen is a little too dewy finish, and it's a strong SPF anyhow, so if I dilute it down, I'll still be good to go. If you don't wear sunscreen, please do. You can obviously see why I would need to, but it's good for everybody. You'll thank me later. A little more prep is putting on some moisturizer on the lips. Next, I'm going in with a concealer and an angled brush. Because I'm trying to save time, doing a full face of foundation is not going to be the best route, so I'm just covering any hyperpigmentation that sticks out the most and just focusing on those areas alone. Then you gotta set it. So taking a powder and getting anywhere where I applied concealer and also my T-zone because I tend to get oily on the nose and forehead. Because I have a pretty fair skin tone, things tend to shine through, and that includes the blue and purple veins on my lids. So just to neutralize them, I like to apply a nude shadow over. I am using my finger to apply, but then I switch over to a brush. Both work fine. To give my complexion a little more life, we're going to add a little bit of blush on the apples of the cheeks and moving upward in an angle. Yes, I did just wink at myself. I'm working on self-love. Please don't stunt my progress. Brows. Brows are so important. If you told me to choose only one feature I could apply makeup for, I'd tell you brows. Being a redhead, my eyebrows are naturally blonde, and so I have to bring them out a bit. Usually, brow products geared towards redheads are usually too warm or too ashy, so I just go in with a brown eyeshadow. It'd be too warm for any brunette, but for me it works out just fine. I use an angled brush so I can get detailed hairs in that effect and get a sharp line at the tail of the brow. If something about your brow isn't to your liking, you can fix it. I go in with the same angled brush and concealer and I clean it up. You might be thinking, if this is a quick makeup tutorial, then why are you doing a winged eyeliner? But here's the thing, hear me out. I've been doing a wing on my eyes since I was 13, nearly every day. Needless to say, I've had quite a bit of practice, so it's just become second nature to me. As I have blonde eyebrows, I have the blonde lashes to match. So I'm going to go in with a lengthening mascara and blacken them up. You can see that I'm going in with a pair of tweezers and declumping the lashes until I get them to my wispy liking. I don't like to have makeup that heavy underneath the eye. It tends to drag it down if not done correctly, so I just apply mascara to the outer corners of my bottom lashes. With my eyes, I try to gravitate towards looks that extend the eye outward. I just think it's the most flattering for my face. Next up, we got the lips. And that's the final step. Thank you for making it this far. I'm going in with a liquid lip because I want it to stay all day and I don't have to fuss with it. I'm also adding a lip balm over the top so it's not as drying. And a quick change. And here you have the final look. Give me some feedback down in the comments below if you want to see another look. I'm up for a challenge, and I want to be able to create the most entertaining content I can for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.